In this video, I'll show you how you can copy comments on Instagram. So if we just go to Mr. Beast's Instagram page and we view his comments, if you try and hold down on a comment to copy it, you can see there isn't actually an option to copy the text. So what I've found the best way to do it is, and there are many ways to do it, but I found the best way to do it is first find the comment and then take a screenshot. So we'll just find a comment which is quite long, this one here by this verified profile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now screenshot the comment. Obviously it's going to screenshot the whole page, but we can click on the photo if we're on iPhone, and I'm assuming you can do this on Android. And you can then just find the comment that you want to copy. So just crop out everything else and only leave the text which you want to copy. Then click done and then save to photos. Now we've saved only that comment to the gallery, and now we can extract the text from that. Now there are a couple of ways we can do that. We can use ChatGPT, or we can go to Google and use an online tool. So if you type in on Google photo to text, there will be many tools available. I'm just going to use the first one. You then click browse and you then upload the comment. So I've just chosen the comment from my photos, where you can then click convert and it will then convert that comment to text. So there we go. We've now got this text here, and we can go ahead and then highlight everything that we want. We can then click copy. Now, if we go ahead and paste this text, you can see, there we go. We've now copied this text, and that is basically all we have to do.